fish. Hi everyone, I'm Russell and this is our off-grid cabin at Raspberry Rock. And today we're going to try fishing again. Alicia, my lovely wife, stopped off at a bait shop on the way here and got a bunch of worms. So we can do this properly, we're going to take the boat out and we're going to try and find some good, cool, shady spots to find those fish. I don't know if we're going to find any. I still don't know if there's any fish out there, but we're going to find out for sure today. Certainly worms are going to do it. I still can't find my tackle box, but I do have one sinker, which is great. And oddly enough, it was tied to the stopper that goes in the boat. Why you would attach a sinker to the stopper, I don't know. Like this, if this thing sinks, you're toast. There should be like a bobber on that or something. Anyway, a bobber is something I could actually use today, but it's okay because I'm going to be on the boat. I'll be able to just drop the line over the side, kind of test the depth of where the worm is going down to. Hopefully this one little sinker is going to do it for me. It's not one of those tiny ones, it's actually a little bit bigger, so it might do it. We're hopeful. And we've got the telescoping fishing rod. We're going to use this. I like it. I've got my swivel, or my snap swivel on it, ready to go. I just have to put a hook on it. I've got my little tackle box full of crap that will help. I'm just going to put the worm on one of those thingies. Yeah, let's do this. Well, here's the boat. We're ready to go. I've got the helmet cam going. A little bit of crap in the back. It's okay, got the plug in. Let's do this. Oh, heavier than I remember. Oh boy, this takes me back. Back when I was a kid at our cottage, I'd be out every morning before anybody else was awake. And I'd be paddling along. Oh, Willers, sorry. I'm not going far, Willers. It's hard getting through these weeds. She really wants to go. Alright, so I'll try one of these smaller. All these hooks are the same size, unfortunately. Big. Kind of like a smaller hook. That one, I guess. It's the smallest boy. Blue boy. Whoops. Ow. These things, they all have their holes painted in, so I just gotta dig them out a little bit. Oh yeah, it's raining! We gave them some food, some lettuce. Alright, who's going to be the first volunteer? Tazza! Graphic warning. I'm not going to use all of this guy. I'm going to use half of him. Sorry, little guy. Oops. I guess we should get this part ready. Right, blue boy. Ah! Now we get grapple in our man's Try not to go in the water, Russell. Actually, you know what? The weight on that is actually pretty good. I don't think I'll have to put the sinker on, which is good. That's fine bottom. Probably 5 or 6 feet of water there. Oh great, I hear thunder. Ah! Holy crap. No! All right, damn it. It's supposed to be sunny right now. Unfortunately, I can't really pull the boat up just anywhere. Oh, negotiate. Hey, Willow. It's coming down. Funny, when I was out in the boat and it just started, I thought, it's not going to rain for very long, I can sit through this. Holy crap. And now the sun is out. But tell me, do you trust those skies? It stopped raining, but I really don't trust these clouds very much. They're really dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my rod and I'm going to head back down over there where I was the other day. Just try and drop a worm into the water over there. Widow, come on. Widow. Whoa! I had something! Haha, yeah! It was an actual fish! You guys see that? It was a fish! It's there. There we go. Yeah. Little sunfish. Just a little guy. Oh. How big does sunfish get? I don't know. Got him good. Come on. Come on, little guy. Actually, I had to make the worm a lot smaller. Is that a sunfish? Actually, it might be a rock bass. I'm not sure. I knew that was going to happen. All right, little boy. Anyway, he's going back in. Yay! So we know there's fish in there, even if there's only sunfish. Come on, little boys. It's time for a plane to come by. And I'm gonna call that it because I want to get this video up today, and I gotta edit it and render it and upload it and all that stuff. So, thanks for coming out. Happy Fun Day Friday, if I can say that, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Oh, go away! Go! You gotta come right over top of me. He's like, how's the fishing down there, Russell? It's good. It's good.